What is going on? I'm Mike Rosa from Anabolic Aliens, and today with the SUPMOGO team, I'm gonna show you 5 stretches to help relieve your hip and groin pain. Let's get right into it. Stretch 1 is the lunging hip flexor stretch. Now this is the one you see most common when trying to stretch out those hips. You're gonna get into a lunge position. I want you to start with one foot back, and your front foot, your knee is gonna be behind your front toe to begin with, and then to initiate the movement and the stretch, you're gonna lean as far forward as possible, really stretching out that hip flexor. And once you feel you've hit your limit in range of motion, pause and hold here for 30 seconds. Really feel that hip flexor getting stretched. And after 30 seconds, switch into the other side. Stretch 2 is the 90-90 stretch. You're gonna start on your butt, you're gonna have one foot forward, and then you're gonna be positioning that front leg at a 90-degree angle. So that bend of the knee is gonna be at 90 degrees, and then the back leg is also gonna be at 90 degrees, right there at that 90-degree angle, and then the motion itself is gonna be going forward. So you're gonna rotate your body, lean forward, grab onto that front foot, really control that lean, move safely into it as deep as you can. Once you get as deep as possible, hold for 30 seconds. Make sure you're breathing as you're stretching. Try to get deeper and deeper into the lean throughout the 30-second hold, and after those 30 seconds, switch to the other side. Stretch 3 is the butterfly stretch. This is another common stretch you see, but it is incredibly effective, and it's really gonna loosen up those groins. Sit on your butt, bring your feet in, push your feet together. Now this exercise is gonna really vary depending on your flexibility. I'm not able to go nearly as deep as other people are, but I'll explain how you can go further and further. You're gonna now push your knees down with your elbows to increase the range of motion and really stretch out that groin area. So push down, lean a little bit forward, get a good position on those feet, pushing down with those elbows, lean forward. Some people can literally bring their head all the way to the ground in front of them. Try to get as far as you can forward with that lean, get deeper and deeper into it. And remember to keep pushing those knees down with those elbows and get a really deep stretch to the groin. Hold for 30 seconds and come slowly back out of it. Stretch 4 is the knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back, lay fully out, and then you're gonna be grabbing the underneath of one knee and pulling into your body. Make sure that your back is staying completely on the ground, your head is down, your lower back is also pushed into the ground, and you're pulling underneath that knee, bringing that knee to the chest, stretching out that hip flexor, stretching out the groin, stretching out the butt muscles. Get deep in the stretch, hold 30 seconds, and then you are switching sides, same exact motion. The 5th and final stretch of this video is the deep side lunge stretch. This is a great stretch to really loosen up that groin, the hip flexors, and it's a really deep range of motion. So if you're able to stabilize yourself with your arms, you typically can go deeper in a range of motion doing this variation. So let's get into it. Set up with your feet wide, and then I want you to lean one way, slow and controlled. What you get at a low position, this is when I want you to start rotating that foot so you can get even deeper into the lunge. Use your arms to stabilize yourself down. Twist that foot up, and then you can slowly start sitting even more back into the lunge. If you can even sit on your heel and get a really deep side lunge. Use your arms to stabilize your body up and focus all of that stretch in that groin area, those hip flexors, really sit deep into it. And hold 30 seconds, and then walk it over to the other side and get right back into that motion. You can be on your toe if you're more comfortable that way, or again, you can lean back and sit on that heel. Really get a deep stretch of that lunge and slowly walk back up once you're done. Make sure to take advantage of those 5 stretches to really help relieve those tight hips and groin muscles. You can do something about it, and stretching is an essential part that you can be doing every single day. The 5 stretches we went over are the lunging hip flexor stretch, number 2, the 90-90 stretch, number 3, the butterfly stretch, number 4, the knee to chest stretch, and number 5, the deep side lunge stretch. Utilize all 5 of these stretches to incorporate into your daily life and watch those hips, those groins loosen up, and you'll feel better and more mobile than ever before. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Show SUPMOGO some love. Check out the incredible belt, and we'll see you in that next video.